Hi students, welcome to 10th standard Maths Mensuration session 6. In this section, we will discuss some questions on solids, combination of solids. So let us move on to the first question. Question number 1. A sphere, a cylinder and a cone have the same radius and same height. Find the ratio of the curved surface areas. So what are the given solids? Sphere, cylinder and cone. These three are given solids. Next one, a radius of sphere, a radius of a cylinder and radius of cone are equal, same, and heights also same. Find the ratio of the CSS. First of all, you have to write the analysis. So based on the question, this is the medium level question. Medium level question. So what are the given? Sphere, cylinder and cone have the same radius and same height. This is the given data. So what is the unknown value? Find the ratio of the curved surface areas. This is the unknown value. So reasoning. So what is the reasoning? So which one is suitable formula? Which one is applicable to the given question? Sphere, CS of a sphere, surface area of a sphere, 4 pi r square. Cylinder, CS of a cylinder, 2 pi r h. CS of a cone, pi r l, pi r l. Is it clear? So coming to solution. Draw the diagrams. Sphere, cylinder and cone. Here radius of a cylinder, radius of a cone and radius of a sphere also equal. And height of the cylinder, height of the cone and height of the sphere also equal. Remember one thing, height of sphere equals to diameter of the sphere. Here diameter, what is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter equals to 2 radii. Okay, so coming to solution part, let R be the common radius of sphere, a cone and a cylinder. So R is the common radius. Height of sphere is equals to its diameter. Height of sphere equals to diameter. So diameter equals to 2 radii. So its diameter equals to 2 into radius. Then height of the cone equals to height of the cylinder equals to height of the sphere. So these three are equal. Then sphere equals to 2 radii, 2 into radius. Next step, slant height. First of all, I have to find the slant height of the cone. So slant height L is equals to r square plus h square. So what is the value of r? Here r and h are equal. So r square, then h is equals to 2 into radius. So h square means 2r square. Next one, r square plus 2 2r whole square means 2r into 2r. 2 into 2 4 and r into r square. So this is written as 2r whole square is written as 4r whole square. 4r square. 1r square plus 4r square, we get 5 root over 5r square. Square root of r square plus 4r square, we get square root of 5r square. So this is written as root 5 into root of r square. So root 5 into root r square, square root cancel, remaining r. This is written as root 5 into r. So what is slant height of the cone? Slant height L is equals to root 5 into radius. Very clear? Coming to next step. S1. S1 means curved surface area of sphere. Curved surface area of sphere. Surface area. So what is CS of a sphere? 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Second one, S2. Surface area 2. So curved surface area of cylinder. So CS of a cylinder equals to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. And S3. Sorry. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r into what is the value of h? Here h is equals to 2r. H equals to 2r. Because diameter of a sphere is equals to height of the cylinder. Then h is equals to r. H equals to so on. So substitute 2r in h place. So 2 pi r into 2r. 2 pi r into 2r. So now 2 into 2, 4 into pi r into r square. So we get 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So 2 pi r into 2r is written as 4 pi r square. This is the surface area, curved surface area of the cylinder. Next one, S3, curved surface area of cone. So CSA of the cone equals to pi RL. Pi RL. Here pi into R into L value root 5 into R. Root 5 into R. So product of pi R into root 5R. Product of pi r into root 5r. Root 5 into pi into r into r square. So root 5 pi r square. Root 5 pi r square. So what is the given condition? Find the ratio of CSS. Find ratio of CSS. So ratio of curved surface areas as ratio of curved surface areas as S1 is to S2 is to S3. S1 is to S2 is to S3 is equals to 4 pi r square is to 4 pi r square is to root 5 into pi r square. So this is ratio. So what are the equal terms? Pi r square and pi r square. So pi r square, pi r square, pi r square equal terms cancel. So what is the remaining value? 4 into root 5. 4 into root 5. So this is the ratio of curved surface area of sphere, cylinder and cone. Very clear? So let us move on to the next question. A pen stand. A pen stand made of wood in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. Here 15 by 10 by 10 3.5 means length and breadth and height of the cuboid. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeters and depth is 1.4 centimeters. Find the volume of wood in the stand, pen stand. Find the volume of wood in the pen stand. Clear? So what is the given question? A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid. So pen stand in the shape of a cuboid and it contains 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of cuboid are 15 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeter and depth is 1.4 centimeters. So find volume of wood. Find volume of the wood of the remaining stand, pen stand. So coming to analysis. So what is the given question? Difficult level is easier tough. So question is based on the cuboid and conical depressions. Conical depressions. So these two are easy level, means medium. So go to analysis. Difficulty level medium. Known by given. So what is the given data? A wooden pen stand in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeters and 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeters. Length into breadth into height. Radius of conical depression. Radius of conical depression 0.5 centimeter. And the depth of conical depression is 1.4 centimeter. Depth of conical depression is 1.4 centimeters. This is the given data. Unknown. So what are the unknown? Volume of wood in the entire pen stand. Volume of wood in the entire pen stand. Reasoning. What is the reasoning? So which formula is suitable to given question? The dimensions of all four conical depressions are the same. But the given data, the dimensions of all four conical depressions are same. They will have identical volumes too. Means these four conical depressions are having same volume. Very clear? Next, draw the picture. This is the pen stand. Already four pens are there. And pen stand in the shape of a cuboid. It contains four conical depressions. Four conical depressions. So next step, how to find volume of the pen stand, entire pen stand. Means volume of wood in the entire pen stand is equals to volume of wooden cuboid. Means volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of conical depressions. Now we have to find volume of cuboid first. So after that, volume of one conical part. Next one, multiply 4 and volume of conical part, and we get volume of 4 conical depressions. After that, volume of wood in the entire pen stand is equals to volume of cuboid minus 4 into conical depressions. So what is the formula for volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Volume of a cuboid equals to length into breadth into height. Here length and breadth, length L is length, B is breadth, and H is height of the cuboid. And next one, cone. Volume of each cone, volume of each cone. So formula for volume of cone equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here R and H are, R is radius and H is height of the cone or depth of the cone, depth of the cone. So where R and H are radius and height of the cone respectively. Coming to solution part. So write down the dimensions of given dimensions of the wooden cuboid pen stand are length L is equals to 15 centimeters, breadth B is equals to 10 centimeters, and height H is equals to 3.5 centimeters. What the given data? Length L is equals to 15 centimeters, breadth B is equals to 10 centimeters, and height H is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Now volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid V1 equals to length into breadth into height. So what is the value of length? 15 centimeters into what is the value of breadth? 10 centimeters into, so what is the value of height? 3.5. So 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Product of these three we get 15 into 10 into 3.5, we get 525. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square into centimeter, centimeter cube. What do you observe? Volume always in cubic units, cubic units. So volume of the cuboid V1 equals to 525 centimeter cube, 525 centimeter cube. Next one, radius of each conical depression. Radius of each conical depression, cone shape, radius and depth, height. Radius of each conical depression R is equals to 0.5 centimeters, and the depth of each conical depression, depth H equals to 1.4 centimeter. This is the given data. So what is the volume of cone? So formula for volume of cone equals to 1 by 3 into pi r square h. Now volume of each conical depression, V2 is equals to 1 by 3 into pi r square h. 1 by 3 into pi r square h. So do you know value of pi r and h? 1 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7 and r. So what is the value of r? 0.5 centimeter. R 0.5 is written as 1 by 2 and h is equals to 1.4 centimeter. Is it clear? Next step, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into pi. 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7 into r square. What is the value of r? 0.5 centimeter into 0.5 centimeter into h. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 centimeters, 0.5 centimeters into 1.4 centimeters. Here 0.5 centimeter written as 1 by 2 centimeter. 1.4 written as 14 by 10. 14 by 10. Read the next step. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 means 1 by 2 and 0.5 means 1 by 2 and 1.4 means 14 by 10. Here 7 ones are 7 twos are 7 ones are 7 twos are cancel and right remaining and 2 ones are 2 11s are 2 ones are 2 11s are right remaining 1 by 3 into right 2 ones are 2 11s are cancel 11 by 7 and 2 ones are 2 sevens are remaining 7 into 1 into 1 7 by 10. So 1 by 3 into 11 by 7 into 7 by 10. 1 into 11 11 11 into 7 77 by 3 into 7 21 21 into 10 210. So what is the next step? 77 by 210. So after doing simplification we get some value. So 77 by 210 are 0.367 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of one conical depression. Here radius equals 0.5 and depth of the conical depression is 1.4 centimeters. Very clear? 0.367 centimeter cube is volume of one conical depression. Now here 4 conical depressions are there. Volume of 4 conical depressions is equals to 4 into 0.367 centimeter cube or 0.367 centimeter cube in 4 conical depressions. So product of these two we get 1.468 centimeter cube. So volumes of 4 conical depressions is 1.468 centimeter cube. But finally, volume of wood in the entire pen stand. Volume of wood in the entire pen stand is equals to volume of the wooden cubite minus 4 into volume of the conical depression. So volume of wood in the entire pen stand is equals to what formula? Volume of the wooden cubite minus 4 into volume of the conical depressions. Next step, 525 centimeter cube. Volume of cubite equals to 525 centimeter cube minus volumes of 4 conical depressions is 1.468 centimeter cube. So 1.468 subtract from 525. We get 523.53 centimeter cube. It's the volume of wooden cubite entire pen stand. So let us move on to the next question. Question number 3. An iron pillar consists of a cylinder portion of 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeter in diameter, and a cone of 42 centimeter height surmounting it. Find the weight of the pillar of 1 centimeter cube of iron weight 7.5 grams. What is given question? An iron pillar consists of a cylinder portion of 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeters in diameter, and a cone of 42 centimeter height surmounting it. Find the weight of the pillar of 1 centimeter cube of iron weight equals to 7.5 grams. So what is given data? So what is given solids here? Cylinder and cone. Cylinder and cone. So what is given data? 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeters diameter. So observe one thing. Here one unit is meters and another one is centimeters. You have to convert into meters or centimeters. That's your wish. And diameter and cone of 42 centimeters height. Cone height equals to 42 centimeters. So given data. Find the weight of the pillar. Find the weight of the pillar of 1 centimeter cube of iron weight 7.5 grams. Iron weight for 1 centimeter cube equals to 7.5 grams. Find the total weight of the pillar. This is the unknown value. So coming to analysis part. So write down the analysis. Based on the question, this is the medium level question. Medium level question. And known by given. So what is given data? Height of the cylindrical portion 2.8 meters. The diameter 20 centimeters. Height of the cone is 42 centimeters and the diameter 20 centimeters, because diameter of a cone and diameter of a cylinder both are same. And unknown value. What is unknown value? Weight of the pillar. Weight of the pillar. Next one, reasoning. So what is the reasoning? Reasoning, volume of the pillar is equals to, so how to find volume of the pillar? Volume of a cylindrical portion plus volume of conical portion. So volume of the pillar is equals to volume of cylindrical portion plus volume of conical portion. So do you know formula for volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h, and the volume of cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume of the cylinder, V1 is equals to pi r square h. Next one, volume of cone. V2 is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So formula for volume of cylinder V1, because already two volumes are given. First one is cylindrical solid volume and second one is conical volume. So represent first volume is V1 and second volume is V2. So volume of cylinder V1 equals to pi r square h. Volume of cone V2 is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the reasoning part. Next one, solution. Write down the given data. Height of the cylinder portion or cylindrical portion. So what is the height of the cylinder? 2.8 meters. 2.8 meters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 2.8 into 100, we get 280 centimeters. 2.8 meters is written as 280 centimeters. Now diameter of the cylinder. Diameter of the cylinder equals to 20 centimeters. So what is the relation between diameter and radius? Radius equals to half of the diameter. Diameter equals 20, then radius equals to 10. So radius of the cylinder and the radius of the cone are both are same. So radius of the cylinder 10. The same time, Radius of the cone also 10 centimeters. Are you clear? Next step, the radius of the cylinder. R is equals to diameter by 2 or half of the diameter. Half of the diameter. 20 by 2. Diameter by 2 means 20 by 2 or 10 centimeters. Next one, volume of cylinder. So formula for volume of a cylinder, V1 is equals to pi r square h, pi r square h. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 r square and h. Otherwise, I have to apply its method also. So pi value 22 by 7 into r square. R square means what is the value of r? 10 centimeters. R square means 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Height 2.8 meters or 280 centimeters. 7 ones are 7, 740s are 740s. So what is the remaining? 22 into 10 into 10 into 40. Right on the next step, 22 into 10 into 10 into 40. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square into centimeter, centimeter cube. Now 22 into 10 into 10 into 40, we get 88,000. 88,000. So 22 into 10 into 10 into 40, we get 88,000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylindrical portion or volume of cylinder. What is the remaining? Volume of cone. Volume of cone. So let us move on to the next step. Height of the cone or height of the cone, h is equals to 42. Height of the cone equals to 42 centimeters, and radius of the cylinder and radius of the cone, these two are equals to 10 centimeters. Volume of cone V2 is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r. What is the value of r? 10. R square means 10 into 10 into h. So what is the value of h? Height of the conical part 42 centimeters. So replace the values in the given formula. 1 by 3 into pi 22 by 7 r square 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, and the height h equals to 42. 7 ones are 7 6 are 7 ones are 7 6 are. Centimeter into centimeter cube. Right on the next step, 1 by 3 into 22, because 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 42. These two are cancelled. Remaining 10 centimeter, 42 centimeters means 6 centimeters. So 7 ones are 7, 6 are. Next step, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, cancel. Remaining 22, 1 into 22, 22 into 10 into 10 into 2. So 22 into 10 into 10 into 2, we get 4,400. 4,400. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube. This is the volume of conical portion. Next step, volume of the pillar. So volume of the pillar is equals to volume of the cylindrical portion. Volume of the cylindrical portion plus volume of the conical portion. So how to find volume of the pillar? Total pillar. Volume of the cylindrical portion plus volume of conical portion. So what is the volume of cylinder? 88,000 centimeter cube plus volume of cone 4,000 4,400 centimeter cube. 4,400 centimeter cube. So add these two, we get 92,400 centimeter cube. 92,400 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the pillar. Volume of the pillar. Based on the question, weight of iron for 1 centimeter cube equals to 7.5 grams. 7.5 grams. Find weight of the pillar. Find weight of the pillar also. Next step. Weight of 1 centimeter cube. So here 1 centimeter cube represents volume, because centimeter cube means that the volume. Weight of 1 centimeter cube of iron is equal to 7.5 grams. So weight of iron for 1 centimeter cube equals to 7.5 grams. Find weight of the pillar. Find weight of the pillar. So weight of the pillar equals to 7.5 grams into, so what is the volume of pillar, both cylindrical part and conical part? 92,400 centimeter cube. 92,400 centimeter cube. So 7.5 grams into 92,400, we get 66 lakhs 93,000 grams. 6 lakhs 93,000 grams. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So 6 lakhs 93,000 grams convert into kg. Then what is the next? 6 lakhs 93,000 grams by 1000. 1000 means it contains 3 zeros. 3 zeros, 3 zeros cancel. So what is the remaining value? 693. 693. So 693 kg. So what is the weight of the pillar? 693 kg. Okay children, in the next section we will discuss some questions on combination of solids. Okay, thank you.